Today at Battery Guyz Nation, we are installing a battery in a 2020 Nissan Altima. To begin this project, you would need a 10mm socket or wrench to disconnect the battery cables first. First step, you want to take off the positive and your negative terminals with your 10mm socket or wrench. Once you disconnect that, remove the battery cover surrounding around the battery itself. And there's a battery bracket that is bolting down the battery itself. You want to need a long extension with a 13mm socket itself to loosen up the bolt of that bracket to take the battery out of the car itself. And this is your first time joining Battery Guyz Nation. If we are adding added value today, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share the video as well, because sure you have somebody, a friend, a family member that might own a 2020 Nissan Altima, and this video can be very handy for them. Today we're installing back into this vehicle is the world's best reconditioned battery, known as Battery Guyz with a Z. Once you get that battery connected back in, you want to go ahead and install the battery bracket back to bolt down this battery itself. So we're going to use our 13mm socket to tighten up that bolt. Okay, next step is we're going to put on the positive terminal back onto the positive battery post itself. Then you take your negative terminal as well and put it back onto the negative post. So what we're doing now, we're using our 10mm socket just to tighten up that bolt for that negative post. And then we're going to do the same as well for the positive post. And this is basically how you install the battery in a 2020 Nissan Altima. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe to the channel.